Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a little different. I decided to take a look at something most of us probably don't think about very often: our hair. Specifically, I put my own hair under a microscope. And the results? Well, they were pretty shocking, to say the least. I've always been curious about the tiny details of everyday things. So I figured, why not my hair? I mean, we spend so much time styling, coloring, and generally fussing over it, but how much do we really know about what's going on at a microscopic level? First things first, let me give you a quick rundown of what I used. I have a digital microscope that connects to my computer. This allows me to view the hair samples on a larger screen, and even take photos and videos. I also grabbed a few different hair samples. I took one from the roots, one from the mid-shaft, and one from the ends. This way, I could compare and contrast. Now let's dive into the results. When I looked at the root of my hair, I was surprised to see how clean it actually was. I expected to see a lot more buildup from products, but it was relatively clear. However, as I moved down the shaft, things started to change. The mid-shaft of my hair revealed some interesting findings. I noticed some slight damage, possibly from heat styling. I could see tiny cracks and imperfections in the outer layer, known as the cuticle. This layer is crucial because it protects the inner core of the hair. Seeing damage here was a bit of a wake-up call, to be honest. It made me realize how much stress we put our hair through on a daily basis. But the real shocker came when I examined the ends of my hair. Oh boy, this is where things got really rough. The ends were significantly more damaged than the rest of the hair. The cuticle was frayed, split, and completely broken in many areas. It looked like a battlefield of split ends, and it was pretty disheartening to see. It's a clear indication of how much wear and tear the ends of our hair endure. So what did I learn from all of this? Well, a few things. First, the importance of protecting our hair from heat and environmental damage. Second, regular trims are absolutely essential to get rid of those damaged ends and keep our hair healthy. And third, the little things we do every day, like using the right products and being gentle when we brush, really do make a difference. This experiment was a reminder that even though we can't always see it, our hair goes through a lot.